Hello.
And we're going to briefly discuss something that I brought up in our class about technology that's available on our phone and it's free. And Carla's going to share her experience.
So I do use the technology to count my steps. It's a little bit more difficult depending on what clothing you're wearing, believe it or not, because you need to have pockets and have the phone with you at all times. But if you do that, then you can monitor yourself and see how much you're doing per day and challenge yourself to do a little bit more tomorrow. And if you have somebody that's tech savvy, they will help you take the benefits of all of the features of the app. So if you have it,
yes,
get help to use it. It's great.
Yeah, so just to put things in context, what I mentioned was in our class that it's available on the Apple or the Samsung. It's under, I think, Health app. And basically, if you have a smartphone, check it out to see if you have one, or you can download one and you can start to get active as of today. You don't have to have a gym access. You know, you can literally just start using it. And there's another feature to it, which was, I think I mentioned, was the balance part, the steadiness. Have you tried that?
I have, and I really find it very helpful because as you get older, your balance sometimes can be a little bit off. So this helps me take advantage of that and position my body so I'm really steady on my feet.
So where I'm talking about, just specifically a feature on the Apple one, that the free one, the health app that measures your steadiness as you walk. And we talked about fanny packs. Why did we mention fanny packs and pedometers?
Because if you have a fanny pack, you can put the phone in your fanny pack. It'll be safe, you won't lose it, and it will monitor your walking during the day, and you'll always have your phone with you if you need it.
So there you have it. Fanny pack is optional. Pedometer is old school. I remember that back in the day. And any tracking app will be fantastic. There's a whole bunch that are free. At the end of the day, we just want you to get active, right?
Absolutely.
And as we say in the class, rest is rust.
Rest is rust.
Thank you.